Welcome all of you. Now, English speaking is one of the most impressive thing. Everyone likes to speak in English. Before English speaking, we have to listen carefully. Listening is one of the most important skill for English speaking. So, daily we listen any say, any words, any type of conversation, song, whatever you like. The fundamental need of English speaking. When you listen many words, then you can speak it easily. So I give here one extract for listening. Listen this extract passage carefully and understand the meaning of this passage. I was a part of Vision Group of Education since ninth standard. The teachers here are very supportive and cooperative. Their way of teaching is skillful and interesting. So, with their help, I obtained 97% in my 10th board exams. The study material provided here is the best. Moreover, there are some of the tips and tricks to memorize the specific concepts are very helpful forever. They always motivate to strive hard. I completed my 11th and 12th science here and got admission in PIT's College of Engineering, Pune. Thank you. So daily I give this type of the passage, extracts, words, stories for practice and listen carefully and practice to speak in English. Thank you for watching this video.